Hi! While it certainly is a challenge to find kitchen appliances that are worthy of your hard-earned money, it isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source to point you in the direction of the brands you can trust. Let this channel be that source. In preparing this video countdown of the top models, the team researched literally dozens of tools, ranking each one based on its performance, its affordability, and the reliability of its manufacturer, and also read real-life consumers' opinions about each product. Let's see which are the best models in this year.
How to use the BREW Conical Burr coffee grinder. Slowly rotate hopper to select grind size, from 1 for fine to 15 for coarse. Slide grounds container onto base until it clicks into place. Turn dial to desired time and press the OXO button to grind. The dial stays at your set time for quick, one-touch start. To stop grinding, press the OXO button at any time.
The Baratza Encore, the go-to home coffee grinder for both new coffee fans and longtime aficionados alike. A simple on-off switch and convenient pulse button make for user-friendly grinding. No fuss, just fresh ground coffee. The ground's catch bin has a max fill line to prevent overfilling. The Encore has 40 separate grind settings for precise control of grind size. Just turn the hopper to select the perfect grind for your brew. The Baratza Encore is built with quality parts and is fully user-serviceable. Enjoy cafe-quality coffee at home with the Baratza Encore. We grind, you brew. Introducing the Virtuoso Plus, a refined improvement of the classic and beloved Virtuoso. Grind cafe-quality coffee with hardened steel conical burrs that can be adjusted to 40 different grind settings. The Virtuoso Plus features twin LED lights which shine onto dispensed ground coffee so you can see for yourself how quick and easy it is to grind fresh coffee. The hopper holds 8 ounces of whole bean coffee, and the ground's catch bin has a max fill line to prevent overfilling. While the classic Virtuoso used an analog timer, the Virtuoso Plus is controlled digitally. The timer can be programmed to 1/10 of a second for exact results every time. Turn left to subtract by 1/10 of a second, turn right to add by full seconds. The Virtuoso Plus provides precision dosing for repeatable and consistent results.